How to fix kp.org app not working issue. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing difficulty using the kp.org app due to some issue, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can fix this. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Sometimes, due to poor internet connection, you might be facing difficulty on the application. So if you are using Wi-Fi, you might want to switch over to data, or if you are using data, you can switch to Wi-Fi and check if the issue is with the internet. If internet is not the issue, then the next thing you want to do is make sure your application is fully updated. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Then on the search bar, you want to search for kp.org. Now here, if you have the update button, simply tap on it and update the application to the latest version. If you have the open option, it means your application is already up to date. Once the application is up to date, you will be able to use the app without any problem. However, if you're still facing the issue, then the next thing you can do is head over to your settings, scroll down and tap on the apps option. Now, from the list of application, you want to select kp.org. Now, tap on the storage option. Here, you want to tap on the clear cache option. Then, tap on the clear data option and tap on delete to make sure that all the data has been deleted. If by doing this your issue is still not resolved, then you can simply tap on the uninstall option, then reinstall this application and check. If all these methods do not work, then you can simply contact the customer support of kp.org, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.